Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now in the previous video, we saw that how we can create a hyperlink which will take us to another file, let's say PDF file or Excel file or any image file. Now in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a hyperlink on a particular image or on a shape also. So we can also do like that. It's not always that you have to write down the text and then on the text you create the hyperlink. You can also use an image, and when anybody clicks on that image, then it will take him or her to a new sheet or to a new file. So that is also possible. So let us see practically how we can create this hyperlink on a image or a shape. So here I'm working in this sheet that is known as hyperlink to image. So what I can do, I can bring here an image also, or I can also create a shape here. So let us create a shape. So I go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, I go to this shapes here. In the shape, let's say I select one of the shape. So here now I create that particular shape. You can do a lot of modification here. You can remove the color and everything. That is also possible. So now I select this shape, and now on this shape I want to create a hyperlink, and with that hyperlink I want to go to a already existing Excel file. So if I select this shape, I right click over here, and when I right click, I'm having this option known as link. So if I go to link, I click this arrow button, and then I go to this insert link, and now in the insert link I select this one of this file. Let's say I select here one of the file known as formula auditing and evaluate formula. I've also created a separate video on it. If you have not seen that video, then I'm putting the link on the top of this video. So I'm selecting this particular Excel file. I go to OK button, and now here the hyperlink is created. So if I put my pointer here on this shape, then my hyperlink is created. So if I click on it, then it will take me to that Excel file which is known as formula auditing and evaluate formula. So this is how you can create a hyperlink on a shape. Now let me bring here one of the image also. So let me select over here. I go to insert tab, picture. Let me go for this place in cell or place over cells here, this device. And now I select here one of the image. If I go to the download folder, yeah, let me select here one of my image. Recently I received around 100,000 subscribers, so I've already created one image for that. So I select this 1 lakh subscribers achievement. I click on insert. So now this is that image. I can definitely make it smaller also like this. If I want to create a hyperlink on this image, I have to select this image, right click, and when I right click, I'm having this option known as link. In the link, I go to this arrow button, I click on this insert link, and now here I'm getting this same dialog box. So let's say I select here this let function examples Excel file. So I select this one, I click on OK button, and now my link is created. So if I put my pointer here on this image, when I click on this image, then it will open up the Excel file which is known as let function. So here in this video we have seen that how we can create a hyperlink on an image, and also how we can create the hyperlink on a shape. So I hope that this is very informative to all of you. Now in the next video I'll be showing you how to create a hyperlink with a hyperlink formula. Yeah, we also have a hyperlink formula. So with that formula, how we can create a hyperlink. So see you then in the next video. Thank you very much.